So you're gonna draw a ghost.
Yeah, surfing. We want to give you a quick preview before we start, and we hope you're really excited to follow along. This one turned out awesome. I always want to squish your little drawings because they're so cute. We used our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have.
Yeah, like colored pencils or crayons.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's start with our little ghost face. We're gonna draw it happy, and I'm gonna draw a smile towards the top of my paper so that we have room for the surfboard and wave. Then we can draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw a little oval and another little oval to match. And then we can color in those shapes. Now let's draw the top of our ghost. I'm gonna draw it really close to the eye on this side, but then I'm gonna draw it kind of further away on the other side so that it looks like our ghost is surfing to the left. Then on this side, let's draw the belly or the body of our ghost coming down. And then we can draw little arms. I'm going to draw one arm sticking out here. And then the other, we could draw it sticking out over here. Then let's draw the rest of our ghost, the sheet. We're going to draw it curving out to the side. And then we can draw a wiggly line connecting to the other side. Yeah, that's a really cute ghost. Good job. Now we need to draw our surfboard. And I'm going to start by drawing the surfboard coming out here. So there's the front of it. I'm going to turn my paper sideways. It's a little easier. And then we're going to come back. Yeah, and then I'm going to imagine it going behind the ghost right here and then coming out and connecting to the bottom. Our little ghost is floating on top of the surfboard. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, now let's draw the wave. We're going to start here. We could draw a curve coming down and then curve the other way too. Then let's draw the curl starting here and curving forward. Then we need to draw the water, the white water, the bubbly water that's white. I'm going to draw it curving around and kind of making a bunch of little bumps. Yeah, and then we could draw the rest of the curve or the curl of the wave. Curving there, and I'm gonna draw it crazy and then draw more of the wave, kind of creating another little wave. And we did it! We finished drawing our little ghost, except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match your same coloring. Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little ghost surfing, and I love yours, especially the pink cheeks and the little eyelashes.
Thank you.
You can pause the video to match your same coloring. We used our blues for the water, and I really like that we added more waves down here. And then we used a darker blue for more texture inside of the water.
Oh, and we added water droplets.
Yeah, that looks really cute. Then we also colored our surfboard with a stripe down the middle, but our art friends could change the design of their surfboard. You could add flowers or
spots.
Yeah, spots would be perfect. Oh, and what else could they add?
A background like a shark.
Oh yeah, you could draw a ghost shark.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing, and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.